Hi, welcome to TechNest. As you already seen in the thumbnail, in this video we are going to learn about HTML basic structure. In first line we have doc type declaration. Okay, what doc type declaration does is like it tells the browser which HTML version we are using and at the same time what type of document this is. What type of document we are writing here? HTML, right? That is why we are giving HTML here. Okay, following the doc type declaration, we have an element. What is an element? Element is nothing but combination of starting tag and the ending tag. Here in second line we have starting tag and in 10th line we have ending tag. By combining these two, we'll say it as an element. Why we are giving HTML element following the doc type declaration? Why? Because HTML element is the root element where all the elements are present or where all the elements are written. Okay, here mainly we'll consider two type of elements. First one is head element and second one is body element. First we'll see what is head element. Head element contains metadata and the links related to the external resources. What is metadata? Metadata is nothing but data about the data. And when we are talking about links about related to external resources, it says about CSS and Bootstrap. We'll see in further tutorials. We are not diving deep into those things. Just we will see what it contains. Okay. Here we have title. Title title is shown in the browsing tab. Okay. So here we can able see here learning, right? So this is the browser tab. Here we are seeing the learning, right? So this is the title of the web page. Okay. Following we have body element. Body element contains the content which the end user can be seen. Okay, see here we can able to see the heading and the paragraph, right? So that is what here h1 element is heading element and p element is paragraph element. So basically HTML basic structure contains four important things. First one is doc type declaration, followed by HTML root element, and followed by two main elements. First one is head element and second one is body element. Okay, I hope you understand this. Please like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts about this video.